a universe. What I do is my passion, not a calling, but as a friend. From calling to do something, and it is your passion. In those days, they don't believe in training the women because they say that the women will get married and go to be with their husband. However, that woman that did not get any form of education managed to do everything no one can think about. A woman that didn't have that much education, she became a politician, she became a contractor, she had hotels. I know what it means to be poor. I had no clothes. I wore one jeans for like over 2 years with holes on the jeans. Out of frustration, I got married. I had 3 beautiful children, but it ended up in divorce, and I became what? Nobody again. I had to start from all over. Because the man said, without him, I cannot be anyone. And I said, no, I will be somebody like you. I can do everything that I have to do to train my 3 young children. Because I believe that education is power. Because we're here about education. It's about 90 million children out of school. 90 million poor families in Nigeria. Are we just going to sit back and let Nigeria go from 90 million to 200 million poor? I took it upon myself that I will start this initiative. Even if it means that I have to sell something, even if it means I will sell a house, even if it means I will sell a property, even if it means I will sell something, but I will begin this initiative. We have the nation called Nigeria, but I bet you there is a woman behind that. Yes. And we will make sure that Nigeria changes and that we will lift up. We'll make sure the level of poverty will be elevated in every state in Nigeria. We will rebuild schools. We're not going to let our children sit under the tree. You can see children that want to go to school, but they can't. And you see them sitting around and trying to read anything they can get their hands up. And I applaud everyone here to join me in this initiative that every child in Nigeria must be educated somehow.